Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
India last week signed a nearly rupees 21,000 crore deal with the Airbus Defence and Space of Spain for acquisition of 56 C295 MW transport aircraft for the Indian Air Force, that is the IAF. This is the first time in India's history that a private firm will be manufacturing complete aircraft in India. The project seeks to replace the aging fleet of the Avro transport aircraft that first flew in 1961 and is still flying. The aircraft, which has a 5 ton capacity, is capable of operating from semi-prepared strips and has a rear ram door for quick reaction and paradropping of the troops and cargo. The Defence Ministry in a statement said that the aircraft will give a major boost to tactical airlift capability of the IAF, especially in the northern, the northeastern sector and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The Airbus C295 is a new generation versatile tactical airlifter and ISR, that is intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance aircraft, that is carry up to 9 tons of payload or up to 71 personnel at a maximum cruise speed of 260 knots, that is 480 kilometers per hour. Fitted with a retractable landing gear and pressurized cabin, it can cruise at altitudes of up to 30,000 feet while retaining short takeoff and landing performance from unpaved, short, soft sandy grass airstrips as well as low-level flight characteristics. Powered by two Pratt & Whitney, that is the PW127G turboprop engines, the C295 is fitted with winglets, offering increased performance in phases of flight, new power generators and improved aircraft general systems. This version is now the baseline configuration for all C295 models, transport and ISR. First delivered in 2001, the C295 is a developed version of the well-known CN235 with many component upgrades and offers greater capacity and range. At 12.7 meters long, the C295 has the longest unobstructed cabin in its class and it can accommodate up to 71 seats. For the same reason, it can carry much more palletized cargo with direct offloading through its rear ram door. The aircraft is a tactical military transport with a light footprint to enable operations from short, no longer than 670 meters or soft unprepared airstrips, as I mentioned before. The C295 is also designed to provide low-level flight characteristics for tactical missions, flying at speeds down to just 200 kilometers an hour. There are over 160 aircraft in operations in the world and it is a combat proven platform. 32 nations operate the CN235 or the 295 light medium airlifters to complement their C-130 class aircraft, including UAE, Brazil, France, Jordan, Malaysia, Morocco, Pakistan, Poland, Portugal, Saudi Arabia, South Korea, Spain and Turkey. Being able to operate to and from short or unprepared airstrips, the C295 is used for tactical transport of troops and the required logistic supplies, that is water, food, ammunition, medical supplies and spare parts from the main operating base to the forward bases and among forward locations which are not accessible to the current heavier aircraft. The C295 can also be used for casualty or medical evacuation using either basic litter or mobile intensive care units with life support equipment. The C295 is also available in an anti-submarine warfare, that is ASW version in service with the Chilean Navy. The Airbus Defence and Space has flight tested an airborne early warning, that is AEW version of its C295. Other C295 special versions are the armed ISR to provide close air support to ground troops, convoys, facilities, etc. and tactical air tanker refueling helicopters to increase the radius of action. The C295 offers optional self-protection equipment which is already ready to serve in hostile environments, that is cockpit armor, radar warning systems, missile warning systems, laser warning and shafts of flares as dispensers. For the print, this is Sneha Alex Philip. Do subscribe to our Print's YouTube channel for more such videos.